I didn't expect that the first drawing course would even be remotely successful. I mean, back in 2016, I'd gotten a couple pre orders and became excited. Maybe it was 2015. Anyway, it was about helping artists and finding a way to fill in the gaps when freelance kind of hit famine mode. But then one video took off. It was crazy. Artists all over the world were learning, finding the same joys I did when I discovered these timeless artistic principles. Before, they couldn't understand why their drawings were falling apart, but then many of them began to see, and when they knew, their work grew. It's almost magic to me, really. Perception and the mindfulness to influence it. Once you start to see your work, and all artwork like this, everything changes. These potent principles start to guide your process. Fundamentals, the same ones I've been fortunate to discover. Construction, line quality, reference, shading, and more. Miracles can happen on the page. The masterful artists that have come before us spent their entire careers dividing these simple techniques from the craft, and now we hand them down from generation to generation, honoring our artistic ancestors, and using our art to shape the world. It doesn't take talent, it just takes interest, desire, and discipline. In the end, I want to make something that lasts, something that artists can refer to when they feel a sharp need to hone their basics. The question is, are you ready for your artistic ascent?